Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Microsoft Teams microphone not working. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course go to your Microsoft Teams, and once you're here, you will just have to click this three dots right here, which is on the right corner of your screen. And then once you click it, you will just have to click settings. And now that you're here, you will go to the devices section and then go ahead and look for the microphone section or audio. So what you will have to do is basically you will select the correct microphone, and you have to make sure again that it is enabled and your device actually supports this. And then you will just have to test your microphone using make a test call if it is available for you. And you could also check your Windows sound settings, by the way, so that you will be able to ensure that your system actually supports this. So go ahead and look for um sound settings. So just wait for it to load. And what you will do is you have to make sure that you have the right output and the right input as well. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.